Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Zenaida Andaher, 35 years old, married, have 3 children. My first daughter is 12 years old, and my second daughter is 8 years old, and my youngest daughter is 3 years old. Living at Purok 3, Santa Luciana, Cauayan City. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the youngest of the family. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a helper here in the Philippines of 3 years. I serve a one couple, have 4 children and 1 elderly, ages 85 years old. I took household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and marketing.
What is your main duty?
My main duty is to take care of the elderly.
Okay. Do you have other experience?
Yes, sir. I have experience work in United Arab Emirates. I serve a couple with 1 child, ages 3 years old. I do a household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing, and cooking. My main duties is to take care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will focusing the safety of the child, and when the baby is sick, I take the temperature. If the baby is sick, I call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my family and to be financially stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'm focusing to my work and remind myself to need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. if my work is done, and I sleep at 5, and I wake up 5 a.m. 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper? Kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I need to be patient and calming when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes. No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. If you select me, I do my best, and I'm hardworking person. Thank you.